Hello awesome people, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Software Inc. In the last episode we released our first game of the series. If we go over here we can see The Legends of Hip, Duck of the Wild. It's outstanding. We set up the marketing, we bought the copies, we started a porting task already to make sure, let's get my music back, to make sure that we have availability as like a high place so people can easily get it for whatever operating system or whatever they use basically. And we're still bug fixing Hip Defender antivirus, which will release probably this episode, probably if we start working now. So let's do that. That would be 2 releases in 2 episodes, which is quite nice. Definitely a speed up from the start of this series, which is to be expected, but it's also based on the difficulty and the way we set this up, like the 2 days per month, it's just going a lot slower. It's just the nature of this series for that. October 2007. I mean, it's long enough. Let's just start designing it then. Also, okay, I noticed that these guys were not involved, so put you there. There you go. Marketing should be like here because we want to see the marketing and see what type of money we make. Oh, we have some education ready. Let's actually use the education screen for this time. Arya man, you are ready to be educated. Awesome. You definitely need some system. There you go. System programming. It's always important to have some system. There we go. What's this? Oh, this is a release, of course. Blah, blah, blah. They put effort into and it really shows. It's probably not going to move many copies because it's not marketed. Yeah, okay. Needs to build a fan base. There's so much to experience. It's beautiful to behold. Awesome. The review is very good. The only thing they're saying is, well, they don't have fans right now and they need to market it more, which is, it's always the case when you have a first product in a certain market. But so already some people love us, which is nice. How much did we sell? Well, that's not a lot. That's not a lot. Hopefully that will change. I think it will change. I mean, I'm pretty sure it will change. At least it will be a little bit higher. But if this is the starting point, then I'm not sure if we're going to reach that point that I want to reach. On the other hand, it's the first product. So it's kind of like you starting over again. Like really new in the game. So just need some fans. We just need some recognition. That's what we need. And we're still making money. So it doesn't really matter. We're still making money. So it's not like we're going bankrupt or everything. We're not even close to going bankrupt. But would be nice to wait. When this releases October. So when do we do the press builds? August, June. Yeah, August, June. A lot of active users. Did we get refunds for this one? No, we didn't get refunds. That's a good thing. It did go up this month, which is good. The porting is still being done, which cost us money for the production of this product, but like the development cost will go up for that, but that's fine. Even if we don't really make a profit in the end from this, I'm still saying it's a success if it gets enough fans to us. Like a new fans, a new market penetration. That would be good. Let's see. Port's going well. Not really something to worry about right now. Whenever this port is done, we're gonna do another check to see if we can port it to other ones that are good. No hosting deals. And if that's the case, if we basically on every operating system that I really want to be on, then we're gonna do the project management for games. We're gonna keep making simulation games for these guys. We're just gonna keep following the trend that we have with the titles. We're only gonna make sequels of them because that guarantees more quality. I guess the port is done, which is good. Let's check it out. Do we need to port it to something else? I mean, these are quite nice. They are used by a lot of people. The thing is, this is older, so this one could be a decent one. We're just gonna check in like a few more times, but for now I'm done. Let's see, education. You can be educated. Let's do audio art. There you go. A little bit of everything. No, that's not the right one. I want to make a project management, and this one is going to be games. There we go. Leader of this project management will be Techie, I think. Yeah, Techie. Designing teams are Design Art 1. Development teams are Design Art 1, Dev 1, Dev 2. No, only Dev 1, sorry. Only Dev 1. Secondary dev teams, we don't have those. Support teams, support 1. Wait, what? I clicked support 1. There we go, support 1. Marketing and marketing team, awesome. SCM, sure, put it there. Prototype software. I'm not gonna take a prototype software. Let's set it to 150%. Iteration cooldown, don't care. Hype, all development, own equals single IP. Use own licenses, handle marketing. That we will set manually. So, okay, games, awesome. So we have our project management here. And we will start working with this as soon as we can. So what we're gonna make is another, actually, what we just do is we do this. Make SQL. Get rid of that one. And what we need is project management. We have to select operating systems. Okay. These two. Oh, this one is older, actually. No, we'll still keep it. There we go. Can we now put it? No, we have to do this. So, highest tech level, 2000. That was my phone. Sorry for that. That's how professional I am. Tech level, sorry. Tech level, Wave Studio. I mean, yes. Highest tech level, always the best one, basically, in my opinion. Project management, put it under games, and they should start working on it. Awesome. And then we'll see if it actually works properly. Last time it didn't really work properly for some reason. Oh wait, they changed this. Was this the same? Projects tasks. Was there a tasks button before? I don't know if there was a task thing before. I don't think so. But I might be completely off here. That's interesting. Okay. So we have that going for us. That also means that we don't really have to have design art on this one. Well, actually we could, because they're not really in the designing phase yet, so it's just not making money even, which is a bit meh. Okay, it is making money now though. Good. They will put another 15,000 in though. And will they do that again for next day? I think so. This is going well. The support is not the problem. Definitely not. October. When did I say I wanted to release? August, June. Get my music back. There we go. Techie, you better do a good job of this. Let's actually check. Where is Techie? Dev 1 leader. Oh wait, no, he's the Dev 2 leader. Automation is 3 stars. That's pretty good. So that's definitely doable. Even though he's not working with his team on this task right now, which is a bit of a weird one. This is cute. Okay. Well, we'll see how this goes. It might go really, really bad, but we'll see. This is getting close to being done. Awesome. Marketing, it's still making money, so we don't really have to worry about that. It's not like a huge amount of money that we make of it. At this point, it might even be better to just abandon certain projects and just go to like the hardware factory straight away. It kind of is a possibility, because you're pouring in money into projects that if they don't return enough money, then it's a bit of a meh. Nixon can be trained though, so let's get some system from you. Didn't mean to open that one. We don't overwork people here. Go away. There we go. It's on the sign now. Let's see. How far are we? It's April. October. I don't think we need more deals. I think the Design R2 team, the designers of the antivirus, will just stay like this. And we will make, whilst we're waiting, let's make another project for antivirus. Wow, that was loud. Antivirus. Okay, Design R2. Development teams. Design R2, Dev 2, and 3. Awesome. No secondary. Support teams will be Support 1. Marketing, post-marketing will be marketing. There we go. SCM, this one. Prototype. No, we don't use prototype here. 150%. That's the start. Handle marketing, and that's it. Who's the leader? We have to set a leader. True. It's Isaac Powery. You're the leader of that one. Okay, well, that's all set up. Now that we have that, they should not start working on things, by my knowledge, because we haven't put a project in yet. That's a good thing, I believe. These are slowly beginning to work, so hoping that that will do whatever it needs to do. Because they seem to be sitting around a lot, which is a bit annoying. I think it was Digital Sparky who said that that's okay, that's kind of how it works. And if you took a look, it is queued, so it is number 2. So it is queued. So with queued, you would see like, okay, well then they have to do some stuff before they start. But since they don't have anything else to do, why would they queue it? That's my question right now. That's what I'm worried about. October, August. Okay, we're already a bit late with the press release. So, but that's kind of my thing with the press build. That's kind of my thing. You guys should be aware of that right now. Stealth, you can be trained though. Part of the server team. Quite fitting that you have like a high network skill. Let's give you audio. That propane. Same thing. Oh, let's actually... Well, you are support, so you are good at everything, basically, as a programmer. Let's give you some more system, then. Since you have a star and everything. I feel like that's a good thing to go for. And there we go. Still making money every month, which is nice. How are we doing with our product here? It's still selling. It's not insanely, but it's still selling. Still making money on it. What is this saying? Looks amazing, has all new features. Awesome. Good. Very important. That will develop soon enough. These still have quite a long time to sit here, which is awesome. We're just taking time away from competitors, which is awesome. Viola's sick. Oh no, I'm sorry for that to hear that, Viola. October. So it's now August. Actually, we should do another one. Because I missed the one before, so let's do that. Now, once this is finished, we're gonna make the sequel and put it right here in the project management, and that will mean that we have both of our products, our actual products right now that are being developed, are under project management. And I'm hoping that that will work, so that we don't have to look out for them anymore. I don't necessarily, for new people here, I don't really necessarily like the project management as it is right now in the game. I hope they still improve a lot of it, because it's not like the best system in the world, to say the least. But I do think they are at some point gonna redesign this whole thing, because it doesnent feel right. You need to assign initial project. Yes, I know. But it's just in place there. Just let me just pause it so that they don't, be annoying about it. Awesome. There we go. Let's see. It's October, so next month, right? Yeah, next month we will release the antivirus. See how that does. Let's be very, very like. Oh, we have to develop this one. But let's be very like cautious with that one. Not go for like the 25,000 I bought here, because we're never gonna sell those 25,000. It's widespread marketing though. The marketing is doing very well. Okay, let's release this one. We fixed a lot of bugs, so there's no point in really waiting with it. So the marketing for it will be, let's say 5,000 for now. Let's not go nuts with it. And let's say that we buy 5,000 copies too. Okay, that's done. Marketing Hip Defender, we will put it there so we can easily see and basically... Okay. We can just make these smaller, I think. If we do this, we can still easily see them. Yeah, we're not gonna miss any tickets on these. There's no way, unless the antivirus blows up. What we'll do now is we'll unassign this. Well, we'll unpause that, I should say. Hip Defender is done, which is also outstanding. Awesome. Should be nice. Can we port it to some cool stuff? Oh, we should probably port it to this one. So it's a little bit of an older one, but it still has a lot of people on there. So we should probably do that. And then we should also start making a sequel. Since we are sort of waiting on the project management, there's no point in really waiting too much. So operating systems, active users, let's take this one and that one. Project management, antivirus, there we go. And that's what we want to see. So this is now high priority. And there we go, move on. We're almost at 5 stars though now with the deals and the hosting, which is very, very nice. Didn't get a lot of new hosting deals, which is a bit meh. Would be nice to get a few more. The servers are doing really good. We don't have to worry about them for a long time. We might even cut a few of them. I'm actually gonna do that, I think, just to experiment a bit. So what did they say about this? Yeah, it's a good thing, but they don't have a fan base on it marketing. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna get rid of a few of these servers. Let's take these and delete them. And let's check our server load right now. Let's see how our server load goes up and down from doing that. Because this will cost us a lot less in electricity and internet, especially, I think. I think this will take down a lot of the internet costs by just removing servers. And by doing that, that's our highest bill, basically, to pay. So if we can get rid of that, we will make more and more easily. Don't really need those. Okay, awesome. I think that would be a decent choice here, right? We're making money on these two. Making profits. Awesome. We are actually making a decent profit on Hip Defender for the first month that it's out. So, no, 28,000. Not bad, not bad. We do have some refunds though on it. Did we port it already? We already ported it, so that's good. Let's see. Can we port it to something else that's actually still good? I mean, there's still a lot of people there, so why not? Why not just try it? Oh, they're designing it. Awesome. They're in the design phase now. That's good. Let's make this window a bit bigger so I can actually, it's easier to see all the stuff that we need to see. Awesome. And then if we go into here, because this one is also designing, which is really good. Hip Defender 2. Awesome. Cool. So we have automated a lot of the stuff that we're doing now. And that is insanely nice to do. Since they are designing, our designers are actually at work. So we should not give them new design deals. These can just be paused and just stay there to take time from our competitors, basically. And take some money away from them. Not necessarily because we need the money, but more or less because we want to take away their money to make them less strong. Design deals, that's fine. Don't need them right now. But yeah, we're still making a bit of money on these, which is nice. I think I'm gonna lower the budget on this to 10,000 because the profits are not that high to legit say, okay, we need that much money on it. You know, it's just not high enough, and we're throwing money away by doing too much marketing at that point. So let's see, deals. Oh, we have 2 hosting deals. Thank you very much. We will check the servers next month to see what that does. Isaac can be trained, which is awesome. You will train... Yeah, you need to train automation though, because you are one of the 2 automation ones now in place. also kind of promise you that by your application. So yeah. Servers. We're gonna take a look at the server load. The server load is now almost 50%, which is very good. This is more what I wanted. So now we pay less for the electricity. We actually pay more for electricity, for internet. Sorry. Yeah. Is that because of the servers are more full, so the traffic is higher? It could be. The release date of Hip Defender 2 is this month. What did go wrong there? That's not how it is. No, cancel it. That's never gonna be a good product. That is never going to be a good product. So we have to make a new one, I guess. I mean, no way that could be a good product, right? Maybe I should actually set everything for this. So we take these. Instead of just taking these and then giving it to project management, maybe I should just add everything for this one. So what we do is, just in case for now, yeah, and we have the design team as you. Awesome. Now what we will do is SCM is the MP server. This should all be set up by the project management anyway, but wait, we can't have networking? That's annoying. But that's just overlap. That's just wasted interest at that point. So we're just gonna make this with hopefully a better technology. Do the editor tool. Yeah, take that one. It's the highest technology that there is. Analyze. What will happen if we analyze? So there's not a lot of active protection. So if we can't move too much to active protection though. That's 100%. Okay. That's kind of it. So now it should be set up properly. Let's see if they do the same thing now. If they do, we might have a similar problem. If this works out and it tends to... Okay, I didn't set all the right features. We might have a similar problem with the Legends of Hip Defender, Duck of the Wild, sorry, 2. Oops, that's not what I wanted. October 2007. Yeah, that's never gonna be good. Cancel that one. It's never gonna be good. What I want is maybe I actually have to set the features, and that's the thing I don't like about the system is they don't tell you anything. They just don't tell you anything. It's also not like the best stuff. Maybe we should go back to our CloudWave 3 and start working with that. So let's make a sequel on that. We have a fan base in audio tools. So CloudWave 4, make these. Make it with that. It's still 100%. It's good. The tech is way higher than the last one, I presume. I'm pretty sure, actually. It will be $60. So here you go. Definitely not a high one. Yeah, that will be the 2D editor. Now let's also set up the active users here. So you will go with these two. Okay, let's set this up. And there we go. Next page. Sure. Project management. We will set it into games. Here. And then they should start working the right way. We might change the name now of this to audio tool. There we go. Let's see if that goes better. If then, that's our little experiment. If this goes better, then we now know that we actually have to set all the features when we put our first product into project management. So we'll see. They did start design faster, so that's a good thing. Although I think the antivirus was already fast with that. So they're gonna release May 2008. That sounds like a more reasonable thing than they did before. Yeah, that sounds more reasonable. So let's keep it at this. I hope you guys have liked the video. If you did, then please make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I've been Hipbone, you've been yourself. Thanks for being awesome, and thanks for watching.